Sanibonani South go happy new year. Mhlaka 1 January namhlanje. We just came out of a 2023, 2024 it's a brand new year. We are quite excited because siqala unyaka omusha. Kurafu ke abantu abaningi njengoba ku mhlaka 1 namhlanje ngoba last night was hectic I think for almost everyone. Nami I'm having indoda emnyama le. Hayi ngoba ngiyithanda ngiyayidinga because it was a rough night, but I thought I should just record this video to check in with abantu base South Africa abathandi be podcast radio and stuff kakhulu. You know what, speaking of abathandi be podcast radio and stuff, before ngingene kuloko engifisa sikhulume ngakho namhlanje, ngicabanga ukuthi sidinga ukuthola igama esobiza ngalo abathandi be podcast radio and stuff. Mongazi nje ufisa ukusiphi igama labantu abathandi podcast radio and stuff kuyi podcast enkulu kakhulu etholakala lapha ku YouTube, iliphi igama ubone ngathi lifanele abathandi be podcast radio and stuff? Please do help us with that name. Because I think we have some loyal people abathandi podcast, and uloku sithi you know abathandi podcast ngibone ngathi ba deserve kuba negama labo. Mawubuka nje igama lethu podcast radio and stuff, ubuka content esifaka lapha ku YouTube and TikTok and Facebook and all other social media platforms, iliphi igama ucabanga ukuthi lingalihle ukuthi sibize ngalo abantu abathanda i-podcast radio and stuff? But that's not what I'm here for today. I'm here to wish you a happy new year and prosperous 2025. Thank you for all the supports that you've shown to e-podcast radio and stuff over the past 10 months since I released the episode in February. You've shown us a lot of support, and we thank you for that. Sengathi u2025 ungawunyaka omkhulu omuhle nozokuphatha kahle, ulethele injabulo yodwa bona bonke abathandi be podcast radio and stuff. Yabona ubusunginikile igama ngabe sengisebenzisa lona njengamanje. Okunye ngifisa ukubuza, sonke siyazi ukuthi makuhlukanisa unyaka kuba nendaba enkulu ekhulunywayo, ingoma ezohlukanisa unyaka. Ukuthi yiphi ingoma ezohlukanisa unyaka? So siyazi ke station ehlukahlukene kuhlukaniswe ngeingoma ehlukahlukene. Ukhozi luhambe no Mthandeni Gucci, uGagasi Sidakiwe Sibali, umhlobo wenene uThemba Ngolo uKhuzani, Metro FM mangaphosisi, Metro FM nayiphi nekhaya bahambe bona neBirimo Ring. So you can see ukuthi ideshe iningi ngokuhlukahlukana kwazo ihambe neingoma ehlukene, kodwa ngathi eyiningi kakhulu zihambe neBirimo Ring. Wena ngokwakho ufila kanjani ngengoma ehlukanisa unyaka? Empeleni angibuze kanje lo mbuzo, imuphi umsakazo kuwulalela izolo and ufila kanjani ngengoma ehlukanisa unyaka? Ngabe ujabule yini? Ngiyazi abantu abaningi balalela ukhozi abase KZN bese beya complain bathi sekukhozi lamaskandi. Ngibonile khona nje beqalile nje bekhala ngokuthi hey lo khozi sekukhozi lamaskandi ngoba ihlukaniswe iGucci. So wena ufila kanjani ngengoma ehlukanisa unyaka? Abasakazi bona ebehlukanisa unyaka station ehlukahlukene, mina engikwazile ukuyilalela izolo njengoba ngisho nje bekunzima kakhulu last night. Hey bekunzima, bekunzima. Kodwa ngikwazile ukulalela ukhozi uSelby ehambisana noma Fresh. You know, two things that I would mention about that. I'm happy for Uma Fresh because it simply means abaphathi bokhozi bayayibona potential kuyena, and it can only mean big things for him in 2025. Okusho ukuthi nge-radio season enje zoqala kune expectation ukuthi Uma Fresh kungenzeka ayithole ku prime time njobe ehlukanisa unyaka, noma ayithole esemini sengaba yi-weekend, kodwa amakhulu amathuba okubona Uma Fresh ene show esemini. ngoba ukhozi likhombisile ukuthi liyamthemba ezumsakazi. Akuyena nje nanoma umuphi umsakazi ohlukanisa unyaka okhozini FM njengoba sazi. Mina bengilindele ukuthi kuzoba mhlambe bengimlindele uSelby kodwa bengilindele ukuthi kuzoba uTshatha, uSigqemeza, bengilindele those two from gents. Kwabesifazane ngilindele ukuthi kuzoba uSelby noma uMrose. So Selby did it with Mafresha. Happy for Mafresha. Selby, she held it down. For me, her experience came through Manga Benzalia show. It sounded so good. It sounded to Selby for me made it feel like New Year's Eve. She nailed it. She nailed it. She left no crumbs. That's what I said earlier on when I was commenting on somebody's status on social media. Selby was amazing. So I don't know what you thought of the radio station that you were listening to. I did make some time ngalalela no Felix Hlophe amsana no Mini on Ikakasi. I mean, the show was good. The show was really good. I mean, it's Felix Hlophe and Mini. Vele siyayazi combination yabo exane. So we expected nothing less than what they gave us. So Kakasi FM show was really good. Also complemented by music. I think that's probably the challenge. Ukhozi music masuku top 10. Kunengoma ehlukahlukene so udinga ube umuntu othandayo umculo wonke. Ngoba uzothola umaskandi, uthola ipiano, uthola igospel, kuyona i-top 10. Whereas we Gagasi nema radio stations afana no Metro, but iGagasi kakhulu ngoba lona ngilalelile. I-top 10 yakhona was more of a dance music, a dance top 10. Okusho ukuthi mawuzazi uvela uthanda umculo odansisayo. It was just back to back umdanso waya. Whereas okhozini bekuwumdanso emva kokudansa kumele ukholwe, emva kokholwa uyasina. So that inconsistency yomculo kubuye kuyilimaze i-show kubantu abasuke befuna ubumnandi ngo New Year's Eve. That's the only critic that I would have, which takes nothing away from Uselby no Mafresh. They did a fantastic job. Felix as well as Mini did an exceptional work on Ikakasi FM as I was channel hopping between the two stations as he based like KZN. But ngiyazi abanye benu bebelalele umhlobo wenene, especially laba abathanda ukhuzana. Ngabe niuthola unjani umhlobo wenene ukuhlukanisa unyaka ngomhlobo wenene? Ngiyacabanga ukuthi abanye benu bebehlukanisa unyaka oqala nomhlobo wenene. So how was that experience for you? Abanye bebelalela True FM. Na ihlukanisa ngoGucci True FM, yes. How was that experience for you, whether you were listening to Metro FM, Kaya FM, maybe 947 or East Coast Radio? I would love to know ukuthi amanye ama radio stations awuhlukanise kanjani unyaka, and feedback yakho ithini, abasakazi bezobe njani, umusic obudlalwa kulawa ama radio stations uzunjani, njengoba ngishare lama thoughts wami ngokhozi neGagasi FM. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, I would like to wish you a happy 2025, prosperous year. Let's see growth, let's see success, let's see a lot of money, let's see health, peace, everything good. Let's just have a good year. Let's have a good year, great year, growth, success, everything that we love sing. And yeah, I think that brings us to the end of this recording. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, share the name of Isuguti Sibize ngalo abantu abathanda i-podcast radio and stuff. Elami gama nguNtobeko waKhuluse. Please catch us with Untokozo Chapa this coming Sunday. We've got a brilliant episode that will be dropping. You do not want to miss it. It will be happening at 9 a.m. That's when we will premiere. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and tell everyone about podcast, radio, and stuff. And drop your comment on the comment section. Thank you very much. And ngiyinese ngiyidotose ngensizwe emnyama la.